everyone, welcome to Veranda. As many of students might feel very difficult to calculate the square values. Once you learn this trick, you will find the square values within a second. So here between 176 to 199, here the base value is 200. Okay, so first we need to subtract the given number with 200. So 200 minus 196, it will become 4. Next, take the square value of this number. 4 square is 60. Okay, so next what we have to do means subtract the given number with 4. So 196 minus 4. Next we need to multiply with 2. Why we are multiplying with 2 means here base is 200, so we are multiplying with 2. If base is 300 means we need to multiply with 3. If base is 400 means we need to multiply with 4. If base is 100 means we need to multiply with 1. So 196 minus 4 is 192. 192 into 2 is 384. So this is the answer. Next, 189 square. So first we need to subtract the given number with 200. So this will become 11. 11 square is 121. Just write 21. 1 will be carry forward. Next, we need to subtract the given number with 11 into 2. 189 minus 11 is 178. 178 into 2 means 256. 256 plus 1 is 257. Okay, so comment your answer for the last one.